What's up guys, I'm going to be making an unboxing video of the new 7th generation iPod Nano. Well, the box is smaller than I thought, and I know this will be a good iPod Nano. So let's get to the good stuff, which is making the unboxing. So let's pull this off. And it's off. And just get this off. Wow, that is small. It's only 5.2 millimeters. So yeah, and this is actually my very first ever iPod Nano, and the reason why I got the black 16GB model is because there's no colors at all. There's only the black one, and I only saw 4 of them. Let's see how you open this. Okay, let's bend this. Oh man, oh god, man, this is really light. So I know Apple said that it's ultra portable and ultra light, so I agree with Apple. It's very ultra portable, ultra light. Let's see what's in the box. So just put that aside. Okay, let's see. Designed by Apple in California. Let's see. Hello. It's a quick start guide. And it says hello. Call this crap. Look what we have. We have stickers. Just put that aside. Let's see what else is in there. And we have the more durable, reversible lightning USB cable, and that is a lot smaller than I thought. Apple actually said that this is more durable and reversible. Just this focus, it's not focusing. Okay, I'll just leave that, but yeah, this is the lightning USB cable, just to show you this reversible. Just put it there, put it one side, and you can put it the other way around. It's a lot smaller than I actually thought. So this is the lightning USB cable. And look, you have the new Apple earpods. It's a really unique design, because no one has ever thought of this before. Okay, now I just got it out finally. It's a really unique design. So left ear, right ear. Just put that aside. Now let's get to the iPod Nano. Let's open the box. Let's peel off the sticker. And here it is. The SLATE iPod Nano. And this actually feels nice, smooth aluminium. Actually pretty cool. Let's just boot this thing up. Okay, it's not. Oh. Let's see, this is a multi-touch screen. And let's see, we have done English, UK because I'm in Australia. I can't see anything. Okay, we're done. And it's loading. there we have it. We have the iPod Nano underway. And these are the settings. You swipe or press the home button to go back. You swipe it like the previous iPod Nano. Okay, let's see. So Bluetooth, I'm going to turn. Oops. Bluetooth, I'm going to turn it on. General. Wallpaper. Let me see. Oh wow. See, there's different designs. Cancel. This is pretty nice. Very nice. I know you can't see, but yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one. Date and time. See. Time zone Australia, Sydney. 12-hour clock. Don't make on clock face. Okay. Radio, photos. Goes a shuffle. Okay, now see Bluetooth is on. I know you can't see because it's my focus. It's actually an iOS-like interface, so I really like it. Very nice. So music, so no music. I haven't put any music on. Videos, I don't have any videos. Fitness, you can use the Nike Plus accessory that will come with it. And the photos, podcasts, and the radio station. So I think this is how you lock it. And I'll be also making some comparisons between other consoles that I have. So here's my Nintendo 3DS. It's actually a lot heavier than the iPod Nano, and just look at the size here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's substantially smaller than the 3DS itself. And I'm actually really surprised because I didn't even realize that Apple would get this smaller. And see the opening, and it's even smaller than the screen. I'm really surprised. See on the bottom screen. And now I have the PSP 3000. See, it's a lot fatter. And again, the screen is larger. The PSP screen is larger than the iPod Nano. And then here's my iPhone 3GS 16 gig model, black. And again, the screen is actually small. The iPhone screen is actually bigger, well, actually a little bit bigger than the iPhone. It's actually, yeah, I'm actually really surprised. It's a 4-inch screen, and yeah, so that's about it. So like, favorite, subscribe, peace.